Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial we are going to give you some tips and tricks using a razor tool. Okay, so this is a razor tool over here. So first you have to go inside the model if your model in a group or component, and then you have to click here eraser. So razor tool not only work to erase any edges or object, it also work to hide or unhide the edges. So how to do it? If you will press Ctrl and then click over the edges, your edge will vanish. But when you will and then click over the dotted edge line, your edge will be appear over the screen, guys. Okay. If you want to appear edges of this sofa's side, just this point only, then you just have to click at this line with Alt tool, guys. Okay, it will appear like that. Okay. So if you will press Alt, your line will be appear over this model. When you will press Ctrl and then use eraser tool over the edges, your edges will be disappear. Okay, your edges will be hide. So this is the trick with eraser tool. The eraser tool not only use for erase any 3D model or edges, it will also use to hide or unhide the edges, guys. Okay, so I hope this small trick gonna help you. So please share, subscribe and like, and have fun, guys. See you next video.